Yes. Yes.
Okay, still installing. So usually in the production, it will never take that much of time because there you will get highly configured hardwares. Okay, it will hardly take up to 2 to 3 minutes only. As we are poor guys and running on low configuration, so that is the only reason why we are getting that slowness. And also we cannot afford that hardware for our learning purpose, right? So for learning, we have to manage somehow. So these are the port numbers. You must have remember all. Basically, lesson server is always be 27,000 by default, and these port numbers for the VDA. And please do remember the basic port numbers like for TFTP, then FTP, those kind of port numbers you must remember always. Okay, DSCP port numbers, then DNS. Here is the basic difference between PBS and MCS. Okay, so as right now we are working with MCS only. Okay, but PBS was there into the market before MCS. Okay, because and it is the oldest technology by the Citrix. Okay, and as I told you, for those who are not having hypervisors from Citrix, the guys are always using PBS infra only. Why? Because they do not want to restructure their infra just because of business. They have set up multiple servers. Okay, multiple things are there, and on actually PBS consume lot of storage like the physical storage, but in MCS we can easily attach the VDIX or means as per the requirement. PBS is network based, MCS is storage based. Versioning, I will explain you later what is versioning. So you must have to pick up few points so that if someone asks you, you can compare. Okay, I will share this document so far, means I will share you soon. Okay, these are some basic questions relevant to Citrix interview. You can read it out. It's a huge document actually. This is how we load balance the virtual disks. This is a separate topic actually. I will cover each and everything in PBS setup. Are we getting any restart pop-up here? I'm not sure why it is taking that much of time. Okay, so from next class I will import or I will move the entire infra to my local desktop. So can anyone explain this thing? Like working and key component, I explained this multiple time, this slide.
Yes, sir, I can explain.
Yeah, please do explain.
Sir, basically, Citrix Workspace is a client uh, user application
Which basically it
where
is a
they
desktop application, right? We have to install this application to
yeah
end user device, right?
yes sir.
Hmm.
End user uh, um, end user must have a device where he or she configure the Citrix Workspace, and on click on Citrix Workspace they put the URL of storefront.
Mm-hmm.
After that, query will be passed to the delivery controller, and then delivery controller to AD, and AD to delivery controller, and then delivery controller to SQL server, and
What query?
SQL
What
to
what
delivery
query? No, no, you are just forwarding the thing. So what query?
yes sir, with AD sir, user is authenticated or not, user and with SQL server what database is stored for the user, and after delivery controller query passes through the passage on hypervisor where they get the VDA, server VDA desktop, and all the things are all phenomena are done within a fraction of seconds,
Mm-hmm.
and then lastly user click on the icon and put
Mm-hmm.
their credential and password. After that, they get a ICA session, and the user should have to download the session and open and get all the virtual app, all the get the desktop where all the where the necessary app is. all the thing is getting by user.
So user directly clicks on the icon or there is something in between?
The user directly click on the icon.
And how user will get those icons?
Uh, when first user uh, first user needs to put the URL of the storefront,
Hmm.
whatever the storefront URL, HTTP something something that
Then
or
after,
anything. Then after they run the URL and then they put their credential and password. After
then
that they getting the icon.
directly they are getting
After
icon.
that, after putting the password and credential, yes sir.
Hmm.
After putting the password and credential, they need to download the ITA session and after open the ITA session.
.ica file will be downloaded, right? Once they launch their,
Yes sir.
then only they will be able to access their resources, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, so also please read out uh, the documents and refer my videos for the same. Okay, you will get some more idea to explain this in a proper way. Okay,
Yes sir.
and it should be not like this. Delivery controller is forwarding to AD or forwarding to the SQL or forwarding to the hypervisor. You must have to tell what is forwarding and why is forwarding, right?
Yes sir.
Like just suppose for we got a query from user like he's entering the username and password, right? So when he's entering the username and password, so it's active directory task, AD task to validate those credentials. So what delivery controller do, it will forward the query first to the active directory. Once credentials validated, then again that query reach to the delivery controller. Then delivery controller forward the same query to SQL server like credentials are validated. Now, you please let me know into the database what resources are available for the user. So once SQL validates the
Database.
validated the database or the data what is stored for the user, then again delivery controller forward that to the hypervisor like this virtual machines or applications are for this user and he is trying to log in. Now please turn on the machines and give it to the users, right? Then finally the query goes to the user with the help of storefront server, and like everything is validated. Then one .ica file will be downloaded. User have to launch that ICA file with the help of application which is known as Citrix workspace, right? And there is further is a process. Once user click on that ICA file, there is a process how it is connecting to the resources and what is in between. What is the process, launching process? Okay, so that I will let you know at the time of storefront configurations. Okay,
Okay.
and I'm not sure for this. No restart pop-up, nothing.
It's taking too much time there.
Yes, that is the only reason. Actually, no worries. This is just an installation actually. So this time it is taking that much of time. It never took that much of time. It is a simple 2-minute process actually. Let me check the process. Okay, this machine is actually a little bit slow. Okay, no worries. Although it is slow, but I think you have got the idea like what we are doing, right? So we are just installing the VDA agent, and before installing the VDA agent, there are some prerequisites which is running
Yes,
right
yes,
now, like .NET framework and other stuff. Okay, so that might for this reason this is taking that much of time, and also my hardware is also getting overutilized, right? So I will take care of this, and from next class we will continue with the desktop only. Okay, as laptop is not recommended for virtualization. Okay,
yes, sir.
but for PBS console we can do that, because for PBS no hypervisor will be required. Now let it be, we must have to complete this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let it be, and I do not want to restart that process. Actually, again, it will take that much of time. So let's wait for it. In between, we can discuss further things. So, do you guys have do you guys created the account on Citrix website so far? Everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Not me. I will do it today, I think.
Yeah, please do that, because you must have to download the ISO files from there only. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, so this is a website of Citrix. I think what was my credentials? Let me try. No. Okay, this time it works. Now, which authenticator it is asking? Okay, so actually, my user account is quite older for Citrix, and I have got access to multiple resources. So if you will create a new account, so you will not be allowed to download some products from Citrix. It will ask you to take some kind of subscription. So for those kind of ISO files, I will let you know which kind of applications you have to download. If you will not be able to download or getting some restrictions, just let me know. I will share a link with my account. You will be able to download those files. Okay. So here we have multiple products from Citrix into the download section, and here you have to select Citrix virtual apps and desktop, not workspace. And you will get all the release, whatever the current release from the Citrix, whatever the applications available from the Citrix or products or the hypervisors, you will get all listed here. I'm already signed in. No? Why it is throwing that error? Okay, so as you can see, this is the current release available from Citrix, and we are working on 2106 so far. Okay, so if you want to use latest ISO media, you can download it from here. These are the additions. Okay, you must have to download the standard edition only, because for premium and advanced edition, license cost will be there. Okay, and this will be free of cost. And if you want to try some older version, you can download from the legacy here. Okay, you will get it. And in a similar way, where is the hypervisor? Citrix hypervisor. So you must have to download these two ISO files. Okay, we have got new Citrix Hypervisor 8 Cloud preview. Okay, you might get this kind of options, like, as it is very new, it is release date is August 2, 22, and you will get those kind of restrictions to get this, like require additional permission. That means you must have to take some subscription, but do not uh, opt for this one. I will arrange and I will provide you the ISO files for 30-day license. Okay, this you can get all those things like free of cost, the standard version, this one LTSR edition. Express edition is always free, whenever, whether you are taking it from SQL or from Microsoft. So guys, I think this is a little bit bulky right now. My laptop is getting hang. Okay, so what I will do, I will this is just an installation. Okay, we have nothing to do. After all those installation, our machine automatically will get reboot. Okay, so what I will do today, I will move the entire infra to my desktop, and we will continue from next session. Okay, that means after installation of BDA, then I will let you know how to create the machine catalogs. Okay,
Okay, sir.
because we are just wasting our time because my laptop is not responding in a proper way. So this session recording is useless. Okay, no issue in that. I will forward you the similar video which I have recorded earlier. Okay, so you will get all those things in there in that video. Okay.
Okay, sir. And sir,
Okay.
also share the yesterday rest video, sir.
The site
Second video.
creation one, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Sure, I will do that. That video is with me only, but I have not uploaded it so far. I didn't got the time. So today I will do that and I will share the link. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
let me destroy that infra on this hardware because it is not working as expected. Okay. So, okay, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And we will connect
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
morning. Okay. And today is also
Sir,
Sunday.
what
So,
time, sir?
time, actually, I will let you know the time. I cannot commit anything because sometimes we have to reschedule the things. Okay, so the standard time will be 8 a.m. or 7:30 a.m. only. But if there is a change, I will let you know. Okay, or also today is
Okay,
Sunday, so I will try to connect in evening also somewhere around
okay,
5 or 6 p.m. And everyone is available na today as it's Sunday. It should be holiday for all,
yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So what I will do, I will move the entire infra to my desktop and then I will let you know the evening time. I will ping you somewhere around 3 or 4 p.m. Okay, in the evening.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.